Welcome to United NDT. Today I want to introduce to you our new flaw detector, the UniRec PA-M. It's an advanced ultrasonic flaw detector combining a number of different ultrasonic technologies in one portable unit. So it comes with two standard ultrasonic channels for conventional applications, including Tofd. It also comes with a 32-128 channel PA electronics, and it's suitable for so-called DUET inspections, where two phased array probes are used to inspect the weld from both sides, and at the same time also Tofd inspections can be made all in one scan. TFM FMC inspections also possible with this instrument, so you have the chance to do advanced evaluation and imaging. Furthermore, special applications with dual linear probes can be made, and also you can use matrix probe applications. You can use it for CRA material, for example. And furthermore, there's also the SRUT, the short range UT inspection feature on board. And it comes also with a number of other functions. UniRec PA-M is the solution for all the UT jobs. The instrument is fully portable, as you can see, and you can do all kinds of inspection jobs utilizing various ultrasonic technologies. As I said, conventional UT, phased array, Tofd, SRUT. You can also do CHIME inspection, you can do corrosion mapping. It's all possible. And all those features, all the software, everything is already included in the standard unit. So no need to buy any optional items or software. This versatile instrument was designed with a very clear focus on easy operation and for a rough industrial environment. The wizard-based operation simplifies the use of the calibration procedure. You got a touch screen, and you have also keys available. The keypad is available, so you can use both for operating the instrument. The instrument is also equipped with two encoders, so that you can also do 2-axis C scanning, for example for corrosion mapping or bond inspections and the like. The UniRec PA-M is actually a master unit which also comes with post-processing capabilities. That means you have a separate software running on the Windows, and that software is freely distributable. It's a Windows-based post-processing software, and that can be used for data analysis and reporting, of course. The same software can also be used for remote control from a PC, remote control of the instrument from a PC. It also is an ideal solution for remote support or remote training. UniRec PA-M also comes with FFT analysis feature. Now you might know that with the FFT analysis you can actually check the performance of your probes. So you can in fact check the frequency bandwidth, something like that with FFT analysis, but it's also suitable to check for in special applications where the standard technologies, the UT inspection technologies, do not give you sufficient results. But you can apply this technology of FFT analysis to see whether there was a frequency shift of a signal somewhere. A signal which is usually covered by another signal, like a signal from the geometry or something. UniRec PA-M comes with a coupling control feature. We are monitoring the coupling quality during weld inspection, and it became a very important feature nowadays when PA inspections is performed. In the UniRec PA-M instrument, the user can freely define the threshold for the backwall signal to distinguish between good and bad coupling quality. During the scanning process, the coupling condition is monitored all the time, and an alarm will come up which gives you information if the coupling is insufficient. UniRec PA-M has a most advanced touchscreen features also, which simplifies again the operation. What you can actually do here is you can move or modify a gate position just with your finger. Modify the gate position, the start, the width, the threshold. You can change the angle cursor directly on the screen with your finger, and you can move cursors for measurements on the screen easily. That all can be done very fast and very effective. It's no need to choose from a menu or sub-menu and then select the function, then change the parameter. That's all not necessary. You can just do it with your finger. You move cursors and so on with your finger. That's very easy. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our email address is info@united-ndt.com.